Alright, hello guys, and welcome to my Discord.py tutorial. This is just going to be setting up our workspace and getting a nice clean one. So firstly, we're going to install some requirements. So firstly, you want a code editor. So you can use Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, but I just like Visual Studio Code because it has a lot of features, and yeah. So next thing is you just want to have Python installed itself. You want to go to python.org. I'll leave all these links down below. You want to go to downloads, then it'll auto detect your system right here. And 3.6. As same with this will tell you. And yeah. Then last thing is we'll need something to view our Git repository, commit, push, and to make everything easier. Itself for GitHub. If you don't want to have a GitHub repository, you could just skip this thing, and you can just make a folder on your desktop and just follow the same code type tutorial. I'll tell you what you need for GitHub and that. So that's basically all. Let's actually create our bot on GitHub. So you want to go to discord.com/developers/applications, log into your account. You want to click new application. I'm just going to call this tutorial. It's called tutorial bot. I'm going to create. I'm going to go to the bot tab, add bot. Just do it. We're going to enable these two things, which we're going to need for the series. Save changes. Go to off to bot. And then if you want to post your bot on like top.gg or stuff, you'll need to specify like the certain permissions the bot needs for like all the commands. If you're just testing out, you don't really want to deal with it right now, you can just do administrator. It gives you all the permissions. But if you want to do it right now, you guys can do it. So I'm just gonna copy that in. You should already have a testing server. If you don't, just create the server. Yeah. So you want to continue. Authorize. Yeah. I just got like a fresh new Mac installed. I reset it, so yeah. So I'm not gonna download it right now. It'll take a bit, so I'm just gonna use it in the browser. As you can see, it joined. So then, if you want to do the GitHub repository, you want to go to github.com. If you don't have the account yet, you just want to sign up. If you do have an account, you just want to log in. And then you should show up to page either like your profile, like right here, or like the home page. Either way, if you're in your profile, you can do this, or what is it? You can just do this. From the home page, you did that. I'm just gonna click up here, the repository. Call this Discord.py tutorials. If you have if you can name this like your bot name. I'm just gonna close this. Alright, I don't know why I had that open. I should check it out. I'm not gonna do the description right now. I'll probably make it. You want to add a README and a license. I'm just gonna do the mint license. You can copy the code if you need it. I'll leave this down in the description. But yeah, you want to create a repository. So if you didn't have you don't need the GitHub repository, you would just create a folder on your desktop or in your documents folder or wherever you want it, and just cd into it and open up in Visual Studio Code. What you do, you should have this installed. You just want to go to code, open with the GitHub desktop. We'll bring you that, something like this, clone, and there you go. You have it open this. It will auto detect Visual Studio Code. You can change it in your interrogations. You can use like a regular terminal. I just use iTerm too. I'll leave like a I'll probably make a video on a bit how I set up like a nice terminal like this. Get a bunch of like autocompletes and stuff. So yeah. Let's probably minimize this. So yeah. Then you just want to click save. If you change anything, click open the Visual Studio again. Run tab. So now you should have like a thing open like this. If you ever get repository, you'll have your license and readme.md. So if you ever get a repository, you'll need something called git ignore. This just like hides some of your files that you don't want people to see. So anything.db, anything.sql, anything.sqlite, anything.env. That's all. So you just want to say that. And I'll just do my git ignore. So we'll create a new file called run.py from bot port. I'll use this from the bot. We're gonna what is it? Create a function called defmain. One sec. Sorry if you heard a lot of my loud typing. Let me actually just plug in my headphones. Sorry about that. So you guys don't hear all my loud typing this thing. Sorry if you heard like something different or it's just slower for a while. Wait, does Deuce even talk? Okay. Let me plug in my headphone. Okay, that should work. Does it work? Yes, it does. So now typing, you won't hear a lot of things. So we're gonna say bot equals bot the run. We're gonna call if name equals main. You want to call the main function. So you want to say this. You want to create bot. Then you want to create a init.py and then a bot.py. So you would say from .bot. I think it's just that import bot. I don't know. Then in the first bot, you just want to create a init.py. Say version equals. Let's do 0.1. And then you must port this one from dishward ext port commands port os from ap scheduler that I cannot spell. Sentio port sync scheduler, and from pi to enzo import etc from bot port. Yeah, so then you want to do owner IDs. This is where you'd put your owner IDs. Equals and tuple. You do like all your owner IDs. It's just me, so I'm just gonna copy mine. Paste it in here. And then prefix equals, we'll do a dot. So my class bot commands dot bot def self dot ready equals false. Self scheduler equals async scheduler. Self scheduler dot configure times equals etc. Just imported right here. Actually, let's repeat this. So we have the regular Discord library. We import the OS stands for operating system. It just makes it easier for working with files on every operating system. And then this is how we're going to schedule tasks. Discord has a already built-in task thing, but it doesn't work as well as async IO scheduling. Then we're going to do from Python time zone, or just TC, port UTC, which is a time zone. It's just like configuring it to that time zone. And then our entities, our prefix, then we class our bot object. We define it, we initialize it. So yeah. So then we're gonna do self prefix equals prefix. Do you have anything else? I think that, so we're just gonna super dot net and prefix equals self dot prefix owner these equals owner IDs case sensitive equals true, and intent equals Discord dot intents. Oh, so yeah, there we have it. And we're gonna def run self. I'm gonna say print running bot, and then we're gonna super dot run. We're gonna say this is where OS comes, so we're gonna say OS dot environment. I get token, which we're gonna find our .m file, which we will create. Then reconnect equals true. So then we're gonna create our basic functions. So async def on connect self print bot is bot connected, sync def on disconnect self print bot disconnected. And we're gonna do our onReady function. Ready. So say if not self ready print bot is ready. And we self actually we won't do that right now since we don't have any tasks to schedule. We're just gonna say we'll say bot is ready, and then else print bot reconnected. So what this that's like, so we'll run over this. It'll print a running bot before, then it will do super dot. It will run the bot. It will get the token variable from .m, which we will do something to load it. It will set the reconnect to true, so the bot will reconnect on disconnecting. So we defined our on connect, on disconnect, and on ready. So like on the connect to Discord servers, print it. On the disconnect, we'll print it. When the bot is ready for usage, it will print bot is ready. And then if the bot is already like disconnected, but it's reconnected. Oh, bot reconnected. So yeah, save the file. And you'll say from .env port load.env. I'm gonna do call the load.env function. If it equals. But it's not X. Okay. Multiply should work like that. It might be quicker, but I'll fix that. Square.info token equals. Then we want to go back to our browser. You want to go to the short developers button. You want to go to your bot tab. Copy token. Do not show this to anybody. I'm just showing you it. I will regenerate it. If people find about your token, they can use it for their bot. They can join your server. They can run the bot, and they can give them a self error with like Winkman. So yeah. So just want to do that. Make sure everything looks good. Okay, it's clear. You just want to Python 3 Okay, so there we go. From bot, let's say we'll just rename bot to like I don't know. I'll just do like tutorial. You can do this anything. From tutorial. Not port name bot. So it's short of bot. So from it's like from that should be that. Okay, invalid syntax. For sync def. 34 sync def. What is that error? Let's see if I remove this. Because we really don't need this. Oh, okay, I know what this is. So just do Control Z. Python 3. So there we go. Okay. You don't even need this. I don't even know I was importing it. Sorry about the errors. I was kind of just doing this out of my top of my head, but apparently I don't know how to import. So there we go. Python 3. It's running. It's bot connected. Bot is ready. So as you can see, it won't do anything but like it's on. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. It'll be, yeah.